Welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. And we left off with this wonderful 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Supercharger send-off that weighed 102 pounds. So Drew has it back from John Bond Performance. It came in that giant box there. And he had some stuff done.
Yeah, bushings and pins ended up being what was wrong with it in the end. I think somebody actually commented that, so pretty impressive.
They're the winner, whoever it was.
Yeah, yeah. So they replaced the bearings in the that front drive snout, and spun it up, checked it. It's all good. We're just getting it cleaned up where it was all taped up and stuff, and be putting it back on the car in just a second.
That's pretty much it. Here's the technical side of this if you'd like to pause and look at it. Hellcat drive pins, Hellcat bushing, drive bushing, gaskets. I'm assuming you have to make an appointment at this place. It's pretty exclusive. John Bond Performance. Didn't seem that expensive though. Just because you got a Hellcat Supercharger doesn't mean you have to spend an arm and a leg, I guess.
Yeah, for the full rebuild it was going to be pretty pricey, but just to have that front snout done was not too bad. But
Cleaned up and on. Here we go. You got to fill your Supercharger up with oil, which looks like it'd be a pain to ever have to change the oil in the Supercharger, since they put the drain plugs on the back side of it, and the cowl and everything is right here, I think, or at least right here. So we're going to fill it up now. I think it says, was it 80 every 80,000? There you go. Every 80,000 miles to change the oil. Alright, fire it up. Hey, we got the hard part done, but we got to quit for the day because the Christmas turkey is cooking and the Yule log's burning. So, what do we tell them, Drew?
Have a nice trip.
Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.